Welcome to On the Bus by NovaTracks. This presentation is designed to walk parents and guardians through the On the Bus mobile app and explain the many features and safety benefits that come with On the Bus real-time student location tracking. On the Bus by NovaTracks lets parents know exactly where the school bus is located and when it will arrive at your house. Because your child's safety is most important, On the Bus lets you know if your child actually got on or off the bus. On the Bus by NovaTracks also lets you know if your child has left important things on the bus. With On the Bus by NovaTracks, you can even see where your child is located when they are inside of the school building. The first thing you need to do is download the free On the Bus by NovaTracks mobile app from the App Store for either Android or for Apple smartphones. There are imitations out there, so make sure you get the real On the Bus by NovaTracks app. Once you download the On the Bus mobile app, you will first see the welcome screen. You can click Next to enter setup information step by step, or you can skip right to the main screen. Once you open the On the Bus mobile app, you will need to register and create an account. This is the home menu. From here, you can view your child's current or last known location. See where the bus is currently at on its route check. Get important school notifications, see where your child is located while inside the school building. Invite other people to be a part of your family student tracking group, and much more. To use On the Bus by NovaTracks, the first thing you will do is add your child to your On the Bus account. To do this, you click the Student tab. To add your child to the On the Bus mobile app, you must receive a student code from your school for each child. If you don't have a student code, please contact your child's school administrator to get the unique On the Bus student code for your child. The school may send you an email with the student code, or they may distribute the student code in another secure manner. On the Bus values your privacy and the security of your child's personal information. To make sure that the right parent or guardian accesses the proper student information, we have a two-step security process to add a student to your On the Bus account. To add a student, first click Plus. Once you enter the student code you received from your school for your child, you will be asked to verify the student's birth date and your relation to the student. If the birth date information you enter matches what the school records show for that student, you will be allowed to connect and track that student's location. After you have added your children, the Student tab will show each child's information and where their current location is, or where their last known location was while on the bus and while inside the school. You can also see the current or last known location of your child's backpack, coat or jacket, or even their musical instrument. Click Manage to enter specifics for each student. Some schools mandate that vaccinations must be completed and up to date. With On the Bus, parents have the ability to securely submit and manage their child's vaccination records. Best of all, if your family moves to another school district, these records are easily transferred to your new school. All records are encrypted and meet FERPA and HIPAA requirements. By clicking Map and selecting your particular child, you can see the bus location. When clicking the down arrow on the right of your child's name, you can select each of your children and see where their current bus location is. Whether your children all attend the same school, or if each attend a different school, with On the Bus, you can see where each student bus is located. On the Bus can notify you when the bus is within a certain amount of time or distance away from your home. You can set up separate notifications for each child. Under Settings, you can set when to be notified that the bus is near your child's stop. You can also be notified that your child is on the way home from school. That helps you be at the bus stop to pick them up or to safely drop them off at exactly the right time. On the Bus can also tell you if something important was left on the bus. On the Bus offers two-way notifications. The school can send you notifications, such as the bus is running late today, and you can send the school notifications, such as my child is sick today. On the Bus can notify you when your child gets on and when your child gets off the bus. On the Bus can notify you where your child's current and/or last known location is inside of the school building. You can also be notified of where your child's backpack, instrument, or other item's last known location is as well. No one else can see your child's information unless you give them access. The primary parent has complete control over who can see your child's location and information. The primary parent can invite others to see their child's location by clicking Share Request. Simply by entering the individual's email address, you can send and share an invite to download on the bus and give them access to monitor a particular child. An email invitation will be sent to them and will explain the download and registration process. Once the invited party completes the registration process, they will have the ability to see the current or last known location of your child. This permission can be turned on and off at any time by the primary parent. In Settings, you get many other advanced features. If you choose to do so, Emergency Settings is where you can give police, fire and rescue, and EMS personnel the ability to see the location of your child in case of an emergency. As the primary parent, you decide who can see your child's location. You can send a message to your school administration and report any issue, such as, "My child won't be riding the bus today," or "My child left his musical instrument on the bus." In Help, you can request assistance, such as, "My child left his backpack on the bus, please hold it." Simply click on the student you're asking for help for, then enter your help request. Got a great idea? Make a Suggestion is where you can make suggestions for improvements to On the Bus. We would love to hear from you. For more information on NovaTracks and On the Bus, please visit our website at www.getonthebusnow.com. If you would like to speak to someone directly, feel free to email us at info@novatracks.com. Copyright 2022 On the Bus.